How to hide a message from your inbox on Messenger. This tutorial shows you how to archive a chat so it's out of sight, but still accessible whenever you need it. First, open the Messenger app on your Android device. After that, find the chat you want to hide from your inbox. From there, long press on the chat until a menu appears. Right here, tap on Archive from the menu. At this point, the chat will immediately disappear from your main inbox. Moving on, to find it again, tap on the menu icon at the bottom right of the screen. Following this, tap on Archive, which you'll find right below Message Requests. From here, you'll see all your archive chats listed together. Tap on any one of them to continue the conversation as normal. Once done, if you want to move a chat back to your main inbox, long press on it again. Finally, tap Unarchive, and the chat will be restored back to your regular inbox right away. And that's it. If this guide helped you hide a message on Messenger, give it a like, subscribe for more Messenger tutorials, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a thing. See you in the next one.